Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie pastry at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is very cold and cut into small half-inch cubes. Also, have about 1/2 cup of ice water ready. These precise measurements are key for a perfect crust. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Next, add the cold butter cubes. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just comes together. After mixing, divide your dough in half and gently flatten each portion into a disc. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap. It's crucial to chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 days. This resting period helps the gluten relax. When ready, roll out one disc on a lightly floured surface to a 12-inch circle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Finally, let's prepare your pie for baking. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into your 9-inch pie plate. Gently press it into the bottom and sides. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang, then crimp the edges for a beautiful finish. If blind baking, prick the bottom with a fork and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Your homemade pie pastry is now ready for your favorite filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.